Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Traffic 100K review. In this review, I'm going to be showing you what Traffic 100K is, and also, not only that, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that you are going to be getting from me in addition to Traffic 100K. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Traffic 100K launches on the 7th of August by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, this is a cloud-based traffic software, and this allows you to take advantage of other people's content. So in this case, you really don't need to create your own content. It allows you to take advantage of other people's content. You can leverage their authority, this content, to get some high quality traffic, and then you can basically send this traffic to your own affiliate offers for conversions, for sales, or to any other link that you want to send traffic to. So the way this works is it allows you to get videos. You can go and grab videos from YouTube, or you can even upload any video that you have on your PC, and it allows you to split these videos into shorter videos that easily get other people's attention. And not only that, it also allows you to share these across different social media platforms, which actually are Facebook and Instagram, and then you can leverage this for some traffic. You are also going to be able to schedule this post, this content to go out in the future. So this way you can actually keep getting some high quality traffic to any affiliate offer you want to send traffic to. So we are going to get to this in a short while, but right now I'm going to be showing you the bonuses I'm giving away in addition to Traffic 100K. So the first bonus I'm giving you, you are going to be getting access to a compilation of PowerPoint video templates. Now you can basically edit this template, and you don't need any special software to use this. You can easily create short videos from these video templates. You can customize this, you can edit text, change images, and then once you hit the export button in PowerPoint, you're going to be getting MP4 video that you can basically use on any social media platform that allows you to post videos, including TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. So this is basically editable, and basically anybody can use this to drive some traffic. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to custom HD intro videos. Also, you can basically use this for videos for Facebook, for YouTube, or any other social media platforms. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based traffic software. This is Octagon that was launched just in June. You are going to be getting access to the Pro version, and this gives you access to some high quality done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. The advantage with ClickBank is you don't need any approval to get your affiliate links. All you need to do is sign up if you've not yet signed up already, which is free to sign up, and then go get your ClickBank affiliate ID. And then you can just come to Octagon, add your ClickBank affiliate ID to your Octagon profile, and then all these done for you product reviews automatically become activated with your own affiliate links. So people visit these pages, they click on your link to purchase any of these products from these product reviews. It means you're going to be getting credited to your bank account. It's that easy to use. You're also going to be getting access to video training in the software that shows you some ethical ways to drive some high quality buyer traffic to make sales with any affiliate offer, be it Warrior Plus, be it ClickBank product, be it JVZoo product. Also, bonus number 4, when you're sending your traffic to a product, to a sales page, or wherever it is you want to send your traffic to, it is always advisable to first of all send them to a squeeze page. Now you are going to be getting access in 0 to 1000, which is also a software that I released towards the end of last year. You are going to be able to get your link, and then you are going to be able to add your link to any of the done for you squeeze page templates. Now this allows you to build curiosity. Now people would need to give you their email addresses, and then they get redirected to wherever it is you want to send them to, your affiliate link or your giveaway link. You are also going to be getting access to training here that shows you how to make upwards of $100 per day using some strategy to get free traffic. Now you are going to be getting access to these free templates. You can create unlimited campaigns right from inside the dashboard of 0 to 1000. So this allows you to build your list while making money with affiliate offers at the same time. And then bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to training that shows you 3 high quality traffic sources you can go and fetch via traffic to your affiliate offers. And also bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. And there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor also. This include viral video WTM, viral secrets exposed, rapid Instagram profits, modern vlogging. There's a ton of them. Feel free to pause this video to get full information about all the exclusive bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor. So you are going to be getting these bonuses from me also. At the same time, the vendor bonuses, these ones are still going to be waiting for you inside the members area of Traffic 100K, but I'll still be providing them for you also in your purchase receipts on Warrior Plus. Traffic 100K launches on Warrior Plus. So all you need to do to get all my bonuses is click on any of these red links. If you click on any of the red links on this page, is going to take you to the sales page of Traffic 100K, and this is where you can pick up Traffic 100K, and also where you're going to be getting full information about this cloud-based traffic generation software. So here it says, attention, still struggling to generate traffic? Then today is your lucky day. Reviewed, generate hundreds of thousands of free visitors to any offer by legally stealing other people's videos, working just 15 minutes per day. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time. There's also a case studies here in this video, so come check out this video in your own time to get full information about Traffic 100K. You are also going to find proof of results on this sales page. So take your time, come check this out in your own time to get more information about this. So this is the cloud-based software, which is also intuitive and also very easy to use. And not only that, you're going to find a full demo right here on this bonus page. I'll probably still let you see the full demo at the end of this reviews anyway. So this dashboard shows you total number of videos, total campaigns, total posts, and your statistics. And then all you need to do to create a campaign is click on create campaigns. And then you need to enter a name for your campaign first. Let's just say, okay, the demo. And then you can actually select what type of campaign you want to create based on the template, either Facebook, Instagram. You can create a custom template or use saved templates. So let's just say Facebook, for example, and then it's just going to go and get you the template, and there's a ton of templates actually you can select from, and you can also view demo. But let's just look for a template here. Let's select this one, and then we have options on how to add your video. You can upload video from your PC, from URL, or you can search for videos. So let's just say from URL, and then I'm just going to go and get a YouTube video URL, and then I'm going to paste it right there. and I'm just going to click on continue. And then it's just going to load that video. Now we can select into how many micro videos we want to split this video. So let's just say 6, for example, and then we can select split equally, and then it goes ahead to actually split these YouTube videos into 6 different divisions, or basically based on the number of divisions we've specified. And then it comes back with the results. So now this is your opportunity to basically customize this video. You can basically edit the video and actually put different customization elements on this video. You can add text, you can change the video title, you can add your own description, you can also add tags, and you can actually use this opportunity to add links in your description, especially if you're going to be posting on Facebook. And this is where the magic happens. Basically, you can select your connected Instagram account or your connected Facebook account, and then you can basically post to this account, or go ahead and schedule your post to actually go out in the future. And this basically allows you to drive a ton of traffic. So now I'm going to be showing you the pricing and then the optional upgrades that come with Traffic 100K. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of 17 to 27. There's going to be a couple of licenses, the personal or commercial license, and this basically gives you access to all these features right here. The first optional upgrade is the Traffic 100K Pro that goes for 47, and this gives you access to extra done for you templates. You can add up to 10 Facebook accounts instead of 5, and you can schedule up to 100 campaigns per month instead of 20. Also, OTO number 2, you're going to be getting access to Point Rank 2.0 that goes for 47, and this allows you to rank simple little videos for multiple keywords at once to get some free traffic from both Google and YouTube. There's a downsell for that goes for 37, but that comes without the commercial license. The final upgrade is the Traffic 100K reseller that goes for 197 to 297, and your clients will have access to features of Traffic 100K, and then you will basically get access to up to 50 to 250 accounts, meaning you can actually sell this as your own product. You get access to sales materials for best conversions. You also get to create accounts for your clients using your reseller dashboard in one click, and support will be handled for you. So that's going to be my review of Traffic 100K. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.